Crete, one of the biggest islands in the Mediterranean and world famous for its rich culture, history and hospitality, contains hundreds of locations worth visiting. While you're in Crete, don't forget to visit monuments and places of significant historic importance. One of these locations is Spinalonga. Spinalonga Island is located in the Gulf of Elounda, in the Lasithi region. Maybe the name sounds familiar if you have read the novel The Island by Victoria Hislop. It has a long history through the ages, from Arab raids to Venetian and Ottoman rule, and was a leper colony during the mid-20th century. Today, the uninhabited island is a popular tourist attraction in Crete. An excellent choice to discover the beautiful scenery and to make a journey back in Spinalonga's history is with a guided tour. The boat to Spinalonga from Elounda port takes about 20 minutes. You can get there with your own means of transport, but we recommend you get a tour bus that can pick you up from your hotel. Be sure that you are at the port by 10 o'clock. After your arrival in Spinalonga, you'll have a guided tour around the setting, and then you'll have some free time to enjoy a cooked barbecue and a swim in a small, beautiful beach. Relax carefree under the summer sun. After you return, you'll have the opportunity to explore and shop in the streets of Elounda.